In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. And go back to your keyboard thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on it here. To pin your sentence, use this pen at the top right corner. Tap on the chosen one and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, tap on the pen again, click on your sentence and use pin icon. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!